Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. This footage is from yesterday. I will show you the main parking lot for the volcano, for Blue Line or Blue Trail or Trail E as they call it. It's parking lot C, the old parking lot C for Long Ridge in the past for 2021 eruption. Now it's a parking for 2023 eruption. The main official parking for current ongoing eruption is here. And to the top you can see South Coast Highway, which is threatened by lava. You will see the valley also by which lava is going to travel to the ocean. So when you arrive, you drive this road 10 to parking lot 2, and this is South Coast Highway. And this you see here is Kalamilefit Mountain, impressive Mushroom Mountain. I call it Mushroom Mountain. It has a lot of olivine in it, very special contents, geological contents. So, and you drive this road up here to the parking lot. I came there yesterday with a group of 54 tourists with bus, as a bus driver, because I work sometimes driving tourists in between. That's why I just use the time to explore the area, to show it to you. And there was a mine here. Now this mine used as a checkpoint. There's police, rescue teams, ambulance there. That's where the tour starts. This is approximate amount of cars, like on average day right now when Volcano is open, but it can be many more cars than this. And the Long Ridge is to the top right. Before we used to hike it to the 2021 eruption. Now they leave the cars here for 2023 eruption. There's a big green field where you park the car. A bit further is to the top is Not High Valley from 2021 eruption. There is a lava field. You can visit it there, like 10 minutes walk to it, really. And from 2021 lava from here, easy. So, and then you start hiking next to Skalamilefet Mountain. Mylefat, it means Mersey Mountain, because it was used as a sort of a road cairn for road orientation in the past. It fits special shape. Such mountains were called Mylefat, Mersey Mountains, or cairn mountains. So we start here next to the mine, and we hike this trail up to the volcano, up the hill. This is perhaps the biggest hill of the trail of all. This at the very start of the trip, you hike this 500 meters up and just follow the crowd where the people walk. Is pretty simple, straightforward by the road. Very good road, actually. They do drive rescue jeeps here and trucks, also ambulance drives here, but for some reason they don't allow private cars to drive here, though theoretically they could. And it's pretty picturesque hike, very nice, easy, not difficult. It's a kid's game comparing to what I hike it through the ridges, so easy here, just straightforward. And very soon you will see the valley which lava might use to get to the ocean. So we are approaching this valley now. This trail bypasses the mountains from the east, so it's kind of goes through the valley, and it's called Blue Trail. For some reason they call it blue, perhaps because of the gravel color, blue color of the gravel stones that they use it here. So now I'll try to go high and show you the volcano if it's possible, how far it is from here, so that you could have an idea. Those mountains here, they call it Fagradalsfjall, volcanic system of Fagradalsfjall. All of them belong to the same volcanic system. Here is the ocean and South Coastal Highway, which is threatened by lava. Lava will enter the ocean here if it goes to the ocean. It's like this. There are two valleys. Actually, there is a second valley a bit further, but lava most likely will use this valley, the first one. So there you see a volcano in the distance. I'll zoom in. There you see the volcano. is about 9.5 kilometers from here. So you see there it's erupting. It was around 10 o'clock in the evening, and Mount Kayler is also visible. So this is how far it is. And you see Meradalir here in the middle. Meradalir Valleys. It's a separate drone video, you saw it probably. So this is the way the lava will travel to the ocean. If eruption lasts long enough. If it lasts for half a year, most likely lava will make it to the ocean, because now we don't have so many bathtubs on the way. Just open way for the lava to the ocean if it gets out of Meradalir and starts traveling south. So this is the trail, the blue trail, or E trail as they call it. It's possible also to use trail A or B to access the volcano from the west, but most of people hike here or bike. Lots of bikers, especially local people, use bikes. With bike it's very easy now. And but next time we'll do the hike probably from the west, because I wish to go on the top of Little Hruter, close to the volcano. Hike this trail now. You can come to the lava, to the hot lava, like cooled lava, like stand next to it, but you can't come close to the crater. But if you climb Little Hruter, you will be next to the crater from the top. You'll see it. So see lots of hikers even in the evening. People want to see the volcano. Every tourist who come to Iceland, it's on his bucket list. And the hike itself is special, spectacular. You see Icelandic tundra, because this is a tundra climate here in the mountains. They put gravels on this road, and now it's good trampled on. People walk it so much, it's easy to walk. The only thing is a long hike. Now we are flying back towards the parking lot. Thousands of people go there every day when it's open, but both trails. They charge 1,000 krona per 24 hours for parking, which is about $8. And now it's downhill. If you walk back, it's very quite steep downhill the way back, and the way up you walk uphill. At the start of the trip, this hill is perhaps the worst, kind of most challenging, but nothing really special. So you see how many cars are there in the evening when the volcano is open. There was a mine here, a quarry, which is abandoned quarry, not used anymore. The basaltic rock is very good as a gravel pavement for the roads. There is a long ridge, Langerigur, to the front, from which you see 2021 lava fields. That's where we hiked 2 years ago. Plenty of videos from the long ridge on my channel. This is the terrain. The Icelandic tundra.